going camping this weekend. And when I say camping, I guess it's more like glamping. I'm out of breath because I was up and down these stairs carrying all my stuff. Honestly, it's a lot of food. The cooler, the broccoli, and food is in that bag too. And then I have some art materials because I want to do some sketching and painting. And then there's like all my clothes. We're also taking a parasol because it's supposed to rain on one of the days. And I'm excited. Let's go glamping.
Turn right onto Cameron Way. Then your destination will be on the left.
Stopping for lunch. Oh, I don't know this song. Oh, I like this song. She looks so perfect standing there in my Abercrombie Fitch underwear. Skagit's best breakfast. I think the sign is kind of funny because I don't know how many breakfasts there are here, but I feel like there aren't that many. I haven't had diner food in a really long time. Oh, okay. These are homemade biscuits, huge. Oh, so we should go on the blue trail. We should go on the green trail.
We can just drive it all the way.
No! Hey, this trail looks really nice. I love moss. Yeah, I love lamp. You can keep going. Spring? What, why, who, how, where, when? We're lost. It's been days. We didn't bring any water because we thought this would be a stroll. But it's confusing and we're dying. If you get this message, please give me a call back at 123-456-7890. Thank you. Bye. A trailer cabin. Our cabin has a name. It's Betsy. Hey, they have it set up really easy so we can just grill on the fire. That's really nice. I was worried about this. Here's the cabin. It's so cute. Oh, they have a lantern too. How do you lock this door? Called bottom bunk. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Fully stocked kitchen, little fridge. Emily, welcome to your getaway. We hope this time in the woods is a chance to unwind and disconnect. Take care, Alex. They have a cell phone lockbox. You can lock your phone away in if you want to really disconnect. They even have heating and air conditioning. What is this? Trash. Here's a restroom. Wow, it's so convenient. Shower. Window. We got this cute little ladder going up to the bunk bed. That was unexpectedly easy. Too easy. Feed me fire. Feed me wood. Looks like a frog. Moon hits you like an apple pie. That's amore. Can't even see it. Is it one word or two words? Get away. I spy with my little eye something green.
That.
No.
The salsa.
No.
The cap.
No, what? There's so many green things I didn't even notice.
Yeah. What green thing are you looking at? The crayon.
Yeah. It was just weird.
Because you looked this direction, it's like, oh, it must be something cute.
No, I was like, I spy with my little eye something green. And then you're like, the salsa.
Wait, I think the other one might be a better vlogging content.
What?
You get to know your
don't want to do that though.
Oh.
Nope.
It looks like salad. I guess it is basically salad. Got these bacon wrap dates from a friend. Staff only section. You can walk past, or we're not gonna walk past the staff only